Hi, this is Marco from Wheezy.io, and today I'm excited to demo a new feature for Form Workflow Plus. So have you ever wanted to keep track of your approved request? Perhaps attach a purchase order number, a tracking ID, or simply manager's notes? All of these are now possible on Form Workflow Plus. Using the web application for Form Workflow Plus, creators and admins can now activate an additional column where they can add notes and annotations. Additionally, this column can be easily sorted, and admins and creators can filter using word snippets to do a quick search. So we'll be jumping over to the web application for Form Workflow Plus, and here it is. What we can see here is the day of request workflow, and we are currently on the responses tab, showing all the FWIDs as well as all the requests in different statuses. You can see approved, declined, and even one request which was sent back to the requester. At the top of our Manage Workflows view would be several tabs: Response, Reports, and Settings. We need to go to Settings, and you would see an Enable Note column option. So to activate it, just click on the button on the right hand side, and by default it's indicated as Note. However, this can be easily customized by clicking the pencil icon beside it. Now you can easily set it to Manager Notes, or Purchase Order, or even Tracking ID. For the purpose of this demo, we'll set it as Manager Notes since we're dealing with day of requests workflow. Once saved, we can head back to the Response tab, so you would be able to verify that the Manager Notes column has been successfully activated. Alright, so again, this works for requests that have been approved. Let's check a request that has been declined. Clicking on the FWID would give us the Content tab, and as you can see, this option is grayed out. Similarly, for a request that has been sent back to the requester, clicking on the FWID and then clicking on the Content tab, you would see that the Manager Notes is also grayed out. How do we add notes for approved requests? So this is a sample. Click on the FWID and then head over to the Content tab, scroll down, and you would see the Manager Notes text box where creators and admins can leave their annotation. In this example, we'll be indicating the number of leave requests remaining for this particular employee. On the Responses tab, you can click on the FWID, head over to the Content tab, and admins and creators would be able to view the Manager Notes for that particular request. It's that easy. So let's add one more. Select an approved FWID, head over to the Content tab, and in this case we'll indicate that this leave is a maternity leave, which will be effective for 3 months. And once that is done, click on Save, and then head back to the Responses tab, and there it is under the Manager Notes column. Now the Notes column can be easily sorted by clicking on the column name. You can toggle between ascending or descending order. This is how we filter by word snippet. Click on the search icon on the top right hand corner, and then type in any phrase like maternity, or just the part or a snippet of the note like remaining. It's that easy. So to recap, this additional notes column can be activated by heading over to the Settings tab, and you can see an Enable Note column feature where you can toggle it on or off using the button on the right hand side. The name of that column can be customized depending on the need of your workflow. This is how we use the new Notes feature of Form Workflow Plus. This is Marco from Wheezy.io, and thank you for joining me in this video tutorial. Till next time, goodbye!